Hey everyone, good evening. It's been a while since my last cooking video. Today is my classmate's birthday, and when I asked what they wanted to eat, they said hand-rolled sushi would be nice. So, I thought I'd make some hand-rolled sushi now. I remember making hand-rolled sushi at home as a kid, but I haven't done it since becoming an adult. Anyway, we just need to cut and arrange the ingredients, right? Well then, let's get started quickly. I'm not sure about the length, but I guess cutting the cucumber into quarters should be fine. Next, let's prepare the shellfish. And some seaweed, followed by tuna. Alright, next is salmon. Usually you'd slice it thinly, but it's better to cut larger pieces too. A square knife would make cutting easier, but I don't have one at home. Now for some yellowtail, let's cut it up nicely. Wow, should I cook some eggs? I'll slice this lengthwise too. Let's also make some sushi rice. Michelin style. Heart of sushi vinegar. I'm cooking the rice a bit firmer in sushi mode. Alright, with that, our sushi set is complete. Well, you know, I can't say it's easy. Chefs would be angry. What kind of cutting is that? They definitely say the fish is crying. But hey, it's homemade hand-rolled sushi, so it is what it is. So let's roll this up and celebrate that special someone's birthday. It's been a while since my last cooking video, and this one turned out pretty casual. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and a good rating. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.